Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna check out this. So this is gonna be a little bit before and after shot. So this one here is a 2026 LE Graphite Grey, beautiful Outlander, and we're gonna turn it into Tricity Black Edition. We already painted the wheels black, and I'll be adding bunch accessories, and then it's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful Tricity Black Edition. And now let's check out how this stealth look turned out. I think it looks out really, really cool. I like the quite a few things about what we've done here. First of all, the color itself, I think it looks great on gray. I did a video before on a silver one. You can find that on my channel as well, and that looked really good too. So whenever we do these Tricity Black editions, I think the beauty of it, you can pretty much take any color and turn it into really, really cool Outlander with enhanced accessories look. Now this one here, we're gonna go one by one, and there's lots to cover. What exactly did we do? But overall, I gotta say, this gray with these black blackout rims and accessories gives you this nice black edition feel, the stealthy look of the vehicle, and looks really cool. So we're gonna start at the front, and we're gonna go around, and we're gonna figure it out. What exactly did we do to achieve this looks? Again, remember, I listed all the accessories in video description that we used for this transformation, so check it out. Maybe you want something free shipped to you as well. So there we go. First, we did the Outlander hood emblem, and with this one here, of course, I did go with the black hood emblem because it's black edition that we're doing after all. And then I installed this new accessory I have to cover the dynamic shield chrome, and I really like it how it looks. So it covers most of the dynamic shield chrome part, but it also leaves a little bit of chrome visible, and that plays really nicely together with these lines across the grille, and it gives you this nice balance between black and chrome. So you have still a little bit chrome, but a lot of black addition. So if you move on the side of the vehicle, you can see how we have on the side molding, we have here chrome, and around the windows, so we have a little bit chrome on this vehicle, so it's not completely blacked out. And this one here achieves this really, really nice balance, I think, and it was very easy to install. I just did a video on it as well, how to install it, and it looks really, really nice. So that's front. And as we move on the sides, so we can see that we painted these wheels black. So these are LE wheels. So this one here is a Canadian spec, and these are LE wheels. So we took the factory looks, which they already look really nice, and we painted them black. And that of course gives you this enhanced looks. And then from the side view, we can see added the side molding. So this side molding I added is color matched. You could have gone also with black, and that will just give you a little bit more contrast. For some reason, when I was putting this thought process in my head, I thought, okay, maybe I think color matching is going to look better. And I really like this chrome stripe again. That gives you nice balance together with the chrome lines that you have on the vehicle. You have also the vent visors that we put on, and these roof racks as well. So overall, this vehicle looks really nice and sporty, and I like it a lot. From the side view, you can see our Tricity Edition badge. That one is nice one as well, so it looks really cool, and the vehicle turned out really, really well. Three things that we did on the vehicle. So as we opened the door, we added these black door sills, and they're very, very nice door sills. So we have nice silver lettering on the Outlander, and this Outlander has a bit of a depth to it, and very easy to install. So I've done the install videos on this one as well. LE trim level, we can see we have power driver seat, special suede interior, nice big panoramic sunroof, looks really good. Of course, we added the all-weather mats as well. And one thing in interior, we added carbon fiber around the shifter cover. So this part here, many people find it to be too glossy. When the sun hits it, then it's sometimes too bright, and it also collects dust and shows dust real fast, and it's very easy to scratch as well. So a lot of people like to just cover this part with this carbon fiber looks, and that solves the problem. Plus it gives you the sporty looks, and I find it to be extremely helpful in the LE trim level as well, where you have these suede seats that are sporty, and this cover overall looks very, very good. So those are the enhancements we did for the interior. And these door sills also we have here for the second row. The only difference, we do not have the Outlander lettering here on the second row. So from the back, we did this. So we have this a bumper protector plate with Outlander lettering here. That's how it looks. Same thing, fairly easy to install. I've done the video on that too. And you have these chrome Outlander letters. Looks really good, and you know, helps to protect the bumper a little bit and enhance the overall looks. And of course, we did the Tricity Edition badge on the back tailgate here as well. So again, this one here being gray on the 2025s and 6s now, these lower bumper parts is gray, and then this vehicle just it kind of makes it easier to be this stealthy black edition, and this one turned out really, really nicely. So this car right now goes right there in the showroom. That's where it's going to reside until somebody buys it. The previous Tricity Edition, we sold it very, very quickly, and I really like how it looks, especially from the front with this new chrome design elements. Looks really, really cool. So check out the accessories. They're here in my description, and you can go to mrmitsubishi.ca. Free shipping to Canada, US, Australia. Ship quite a few as well. Can't wait to see your orders, and I hope you like this black edition, this stealthy looking 2026 gas Outlander LE. So thank you so much for checking it out today. See you next time round.